I'm going to share with you some tips on how to become a leader of groups. Whether you are in school, at work, or part of a community organization, being a leader can help you achieve your goals and make a positive impact on those around you. So let's get started. Tip 1. Set a good example. The first tip to becoming a leader of groups is to set a good example. You should be the one who arrives on time, stays focused, and works hard. You should also be respectful to others and show kindness and empathy. When you demonstrate these qualities, people will naturally gravitate towards you and look up to you as a role model. Tip 2. Communicate effectively. Another important aspect of being a leader is communication. You need to be able to express yourself clearly and listen to others' opinions. When you communicate effectively, you can build trust and understanding within your group. You should also be open to feedback and be willing to adapt your communication style to fit different situations. Tip 3. Delegate tasks. As a leader, you should be able to delegate tasks to others. This means recognizing the strengths and weaknesses of your group members and assigning tasks accordingly. When you delegate tasks effectively, you can increase productivity and build a sense of ownership within the group. Tip 4. Encourage creativity and innovation. Leadership also involves encouraging creativity and innovation. You should be open to new ideas and be willing to take risks. When you encourage creativity, you can foster a sense of excitement and passion within your group. You can also inspire others to think outside the box and come up with new solutions to problems. Build relationships. Lastly, being a leader involves building relationships with your group members. You should take the time to get to know each person and understand their own perspectives. When you build strong relationships, you can create a sense of unity and collaboration within your group. You can also inspire loyalty and commitment among your members. Conclusion. So those are my tips on how to become a leader of groups. Remember, leadership is not about being in charge, it's about empowering others to be their best selves. So go out there and lead with confidence, empathy, and creativity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.